Hello everybody, welcome back to Larry's Fountain Pen. I'm Larry the Pen Bug Guy, and today's the day of another box opening because people seem to dig the box opening. Well, so do I. So enough of the chit chat and let's get into the box. A blade. And the box, as you can see, upside down, upside up, is from Pen Chalet. So let's see what's in this box. First of all, and here how the box comes from Pen Chalet. They do an extremely good job unpacking their boxes. And you always get a 10% discount code with that. Hey, 10% is better than no percent. Yes or no? I think so. So what did I get in here? Well, some things I needed pretty much badly, I think. And one of them is the Monteverde mini ball point refill, because I have the Monteverde Invincia that I need to put these in and change out two of them that I don't particularly like. So that should take care of that problem. And last but not least, look at all this cool stuff here. That's how well protected this package came. And here is what the heart of it is. Robert Oyster. Yep, this is the Golden Antonique. Is that how you say it?
Antiqua.
Antiqua, I'm sorry, Antonique. Hell, what's wrong with me, Daffy Duck? Antiqua. I like a la. Anyway, I thank you to Ron for getting this for me. When I ordered this, he had this, and this was already on the way. So he let me know that it was coming in, and then it got here to my pad pretty quick. Everything's cool. And if you have never tried or heard of Pen Chalet, give them a shout. A free plug for them. Why? Because I can. No, I pay for this. And if you want, check out the reviews. People love them. They love the way they pack their items. They love the customer service, and they like the speedy response they get in the mail. So it's all good. Robert Oyster, Pen Chalet. It's a win-win. Talk to you guys later. Peace. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.